thanks for stopping by. Welcome back to my series of HK vegan restaurants part 3. So if you haven't seen the first and second video of the series, I'll leave them in the description box below. And as always, welcome aboard to find more vegan restaurants with me, and let's go. 我哋而家去揾更加多香港嘅素食餐廳啦。So our first stop is a place called Hanano Vegetarian, which is a small vegetarian restaurant located here in Sanpokong in a mall called Mikiki. There, we're going there. So I found where it was located and took the escalator down and walked all the way to find our beloved Hanano Vegetarian restaurant. And the interior really surprised me with the amount of decor they had, and it was just really nice with a very relaxing vibe. And I just sat there and waited for my friend as I flipped through the menu and looked at all of the options. So I'm here at Hanano Vegetarian, and they do Japanese vegetarian cuisine, and the restaurant looks so cute with all the different flowers and stuff. So, and they do lots of set lunches. Which looks really cool. So you might get a set, and everything just looks really cute because they do this Fuji mountain rice that uses butterfly pea, so it's blue with a white top, so it looks really cute. And yeah, we'll just see what we have to order once my friend arrives. Cute. So this is strawberry oat milk chia latte. It looks really cute, the color. The color looks better now. Okay. Okay. It's really good. It's really good. It's not overly sweet, and then you still have the...
Is it just strawberries or...?
Yeah, strawberry and chia. That's what the small bits are.
Because I thought those tasted like raspberries or something.
Oh, yeah. It's like the seeds, but it's chia. I'm gonna try a bit of the cream. This is all vegan. Highly recommend. So we got part of the food. This is like vegetarian chicken with vegetable stir fry, kale salad, and sweet potato fries. And that's the Mount Fuji rice with the pork chop with the white curry sauce. So we got the last one, which is this noodles dish. It looks really good. Can't wait to dig in. I really like the curry sauce. It's so good.
It's kind of coconutty as well, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. It's coconut curry.
Oh.
So crispy. It's so good. That's so good.
This is better than the meat ones.
Yes.
It's so flavorful.
Yeah, eat it with the rice. It's so good. Oh my gosh. So now we're gonna try. This is like the appetizers. So this is the sweet potato fries. So good. Try it. It's really crunchy. It's not as hot, but it's really crunchy. And then we're gonna try the kale salad. It's tangy.
I like that, it's tangy.
Yeah, I like the tanginess. And then we're gonna try the stir fry.
What's it again?
It's like mixed vegetable stir fry with vegetarian chicken.
Because I was scared. I was like, wait, why does that look like chicken?
It actually really looks like chicken. Is it good? She already ate it. It really looks like chicken.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, that's like chicken. I'm scared. That's so good.
And the flavor explosion.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Eat your veggies. The veggies are more bland than the chicken, but the chicken has more flavor. Last one is the soup. The noodle soup. I'm so excited for this one because it looks so good. Like the color. Whoa. Oh my god, the steam. That's so good. Try a bit of the soup. Wow, the soup is so good. So much flavor. And then you have a bit of taro. It's so good. Love this place so much. Which is your favorite?
I like that chicken, but I can also imagine the combination of like, okay, this is crispy. Oh, I can't choose. I would say the chicken, like, it's really flavorful. I really like that.
Really?
Yeah.
I really like
Maybe it's just me and my carbs, but I really like the rice with the curry sauce. Yeah, that's
I can imagine the rice with that soup.
Yeah, it's really good, right? I give this restaurant like 9.5 out of 10. It's just really good. It's really good. So we finished all the food and then we have our dessert, which is a coconut sago dessert, I think. Oh, it's thick. Yes, sago.
Whoa.
Sago. It's good.
I used to not like coconut stuff because like it has this particular flavor that seems to overpower everything, but then this is just light, I would say.
Oh yeah, it's really light. It's light.
And I like that a lot.
Yeah. That's brown sugar, by the way, in case you're wondering what the dust is. Finished. So that concludes our journey here at Hanano Vegetarian. And I still really like this place because it's just so nice and everything is just really good. Yeah, I highly recommend it. And I just love all the cute decorations and stuff that they put on their food, especially the Mount Fuji rice. That was the highlight because the rice is blue and it was just really cute. Bridget, do you have anything to say?
The pork cutlet was nice.
The pork cutlet was
The
nice.
chicken was nice. The soup base was nice. Well, like, basically everything was nice.
Basically everything was nice and we highly recommend it. So check this place out.
So our next stop is in Central, which is called Leaves and Liberty, and it is a small restaurant located on Hollywood Road. And yes, the restaurant's name is actually Beef and Liberty, but it's only because it's an omnivore restaurant, so they provide meat options and also vegan options, which is their sister brand, and it's called Leaves and Liberty, which is the sustainable vegetarian and plant-based brand of the hamburger concept Beef and Liberty, which is highlighted through the different dishes on their menu here. So we're here at Beef and Liberty restaurant, which is located in Shenwan. So this is actually like an omnivore restaurant where there's both meat options and vegan options, which is really great if your family is not all vegan. So that's what we're doing here today. Like my dad is gonna be ordering a meat burger and I'm gonna be ordering a vegan burger. So quite excited because the interior is really nice and just really excited to try this place out. Peach iced tea. Not too sweet. Okay, so this is the Liberty Burger, which is the meat one with the cheese board as you saw earlier. This one is the falafel burger with the mushroom tempura. And this one is the jack stack, which has a quinoa patty with some jackfruit in the middle. So really excited to try them. It's really crunchy. Oh my god, it's so messy. This is the jackfruit burger. Flavorful. It's so flavorful. It's really messy though, but there's a really good balance of tang and saltiness. So now I'm gonna try the falafel burger. That's the cross section. I have really terrible knife cutting skills, sorry. So now I'm gonna try the falafel burger. That's the cross section. The falafel is still crunchy and it's really flavorful, but I would say the jack stack has more flavor in it, but this one's still really good. Oh, I'm supposed to dip the sauce, I think.
I love the falafel.
So good.
Now we're gonna try the mushroom tempura. It's really crunchy, but for me it's a little bit greasy, but overall still really good. This is the cross section of the mushroom tempura.
So overall, I would say this was a good experience because they had meat and vegan options. Although my dad said that he enjoyed the meat burger, but he said it was kind of alright, like average, what he was expecting. So it was okay. But for me, the falafel burger and the jack stack, I thought it was really amazing. The only downside was I felt like the tempura was a little bit greasy and there wasn't that much flavor, but it was just a side, so I'm not mad about that. But overall, the flavors were really good and the staff was really nice. They kind of checked on us and the interior is just really pretty. So yeah, I give this place like 9 out of 10, 8.5. I really like it. So maybe I'll come back here in the future with more meat eating friends, with more carnivore friends.
So our next stop is actually Central Market in Central, and it's actually a revitalization project under the Urban Renewal Authority, and it's currently going through lots of innovative restoration methods and repair materials, and basically there's just lots of these cute stores of Hong Kong culture and just really amazing. So the shop we're visiting today is Lam Kee, which sells a lot of old school Hong Kong snacks and desserts that people used to like back in the day, and we got this black sesame mochi.
So we got the black sesame mochi, which is Lam Kee. So excited to try, which is a traditional like sweet confectionery in Asian food culture. I like the cream inside. It's so good. So good. 淺黑色咯。
哇！間以前你肯定係買呢個嘢。
Our last stop is also in Central Market, and it's this small stall called Coco, which specializes in vegan ice cream. Because we tried their previous ice cream before and saw they had a soft serve, so we wanted to try it.
This is the vegan soft serve ice cream, which I've never tried before. Okay, let's try this. I'm so excited. It's like a sorbet texture. It's not that creamy. The flavor's not that intense, but I still think it's pretty good. It's just a little bit sorbet-like, but it's alright. I give it like 6.5 out of 10, but I think it's quite nice. Mommy, what do you think?
Creamy.
Yeah, same. 我覺得佢唔係好 cream， 我覺得佢有少少水，同埋我覺得佢個味道冇咁濃咯。
就係因為佢係整緊嗰部機，因為呢部機壞咗，所以我哋今日食嘅嗰個 coconut ice cream 係有少少個機係好水，所以搞到咧呢個 ice cream 都好水。
我俾6分 out of 10分啊，你咧
4.5。
OK， 你比我更加 brutal。So actually they do a line of ice cream in cups, so it's not soft serve, it's just ice cream in like small cups. I'll put a photo here. But we feel like that one was nicer because we tried that one before and we feel like the flavor is more intense, but this one is just quite watered down, so it's mediocre, but it's still alright. So we're almost done and my mom says this is a disappointing experience. Okay, we're finishing. The cone is quite nice, but it's just really watered down, so yeah, but we finished it.
Approaching the end of the year, and then we feel this is just 2.5.
2.5 out of 10, my mom says. But we didn't waste it, so I'm sorry, Coco. But you can check out their normal ice cream line in supermarkets.
Thank you so much for joining me on this journey of finding more vegan restaurants, and hopefully you will join me in the further more series when I travel to London and explore more vegan eats in London. So stay tuned for that.